Hey Matt, this is Angie. So this is an example of what an online presentation could look like, and so I just put together this PowerPoint presentation to kind of give you a better idea of what is in my head about what I think maybe could work for this. So step one for the safety aids would be to have everyone make a slideshow using a PowerPoint or Google Slides or a Sway. If they have PowerPoint is easy for me. I can teach anyone who wants to use Google Slides how to get a Google account if they don't already have one, a Gmail account I should say, and then they could easily get onto Google Slides. And the schools often use Sways, and I know how to do a Sway. If they have an elementary age kid within Davis School District, they probably have seen a Sway at some point in time. And then I was thinking that maybe I could send out a video of how to make a PowerPoint or a Google Slide or a Sway Monday when we get back from spring break. And then step two, they would have to do video narration, same thing I'm doing right now. I'm using currently Screencast-O-Matic. Zoom also has a platform to use. There's other platforms that I've used in the past. If they already know something that they could use, they could definitely use that too. And I could send out either on the Tuesday or Wednesday after we get back, depending on how good they do on making their slideshows. And then I could teach them how to make the narration of it on Tuesday or Wednesday. And then I could also teach them how to download whatever recording device they want to use. And then I could also teach them how to post it. So step three would be how we view the presentations. I'll leave it up to you how we view the presentations. Some options could be we could view them all at the same time using a Zoom meeting, or we could record it to YouTube and watch it at on our own time. Or if you just want them to email it to you and you could watch it just you. So that's totally up to you, and I can help them. Whatever you decide that you want to do for that, I can help support that too. So that's pretty much it. We could do one presentation a week if that's what you wanted to do. One week we could do what part of the program is working, and then the next week we could do professional development ideas. Anyway, just some ideas. I can easily tweak anything you want to fit the department, and I hope that my online experience can help the rest of the department. Just let me know what I can do, and I'm happy to help.